Why are you going so fast?
I have a appointment with my barber.
107 because he's got to go to his barber.
On September 23rd, 2025, Florida deputies pulled over an entitled man going 107 miles per hour, all because he didn't want to be late to his barber appointment.
Dispatch has been updated.
What's going on?
Traffic receipt.
Why don't you hop out for a second? You don't have any weapons on you, do you?
No.
All right.
Sorry, the ends are long.
Okay, come back here so you don't get hit. You don't mind if I pat you down real quick? You don't have any weapons or knives or anything, do you?
Foxtrot 212, fast check.
Here, put your hands behind your back for me.
Okay.
I'm just detaining you right now.
225, fast check.
Reason for the stop. You're going 107. Weaving in and out of traffic. Why are you going so fast?
I have a appointment with my barber.
You have an appointment with your barber
In New Smyrna.
in New Smyrna. So,
But, you know, the car's kind of cool.
so you go 107 miles an hour,
I'm sorry.
weaving in and out of traffic, putting other people's lives in danger. Now you get to go to jail for the night.
For night?
For the night, yeah. You know, Florida, it's criminal to go over 100 miles an hour.
I did another.
Well, you do now, right? Now your car will be towed. Now you'll be going to jail.
I did another.
We're just gonna wait for somebody else to get here. Obviously, you can't get in here. What's this? The key to the car in here? Is that the key to this car?
Yes. So do you get to call my wife or my lawyer or something?
You'll get to when you get to the jail.
We put the top on my car.
The tow guy, if you want him to, I don't know how to work it, he'll do it. Is there just a button you push to put the top up? Can you do it with the key?
Well, it doesn't. Unfortunately, it doesn't work.
The top doesn't work?
Not the key, yeah. We'll try it.
What do you do? Just push this
Yeah,
one time?
Yeah, try it. I don't think I gotta take a dealer. I don't think it works.
107 because he's got to go to his barber. In and out of traffic. It's fun to drive.
Oh, I don't doubt it. I don't doubt it's fun to drive.
I'm gonna search real quick. You got anything in your pockets that can stab me, poke me, hurt me? Any kind of contrabands, narcotics, anything? Alright.
Yep, that's I'm always looking. Yeah, you get that one pile.
Oh, yeah. Did you say he was going to the barber?
8:20, 8:30, 35, 36, 8:37. Count that for me.
Did you say he
8:37.
was going to the barber?
That's what he said. Yeah, in New Smyrna.
Yeah, well, I guess he's not making it there.
6,
No.
7, 8, 8:20, 8:35.
All right, let's let us know when you're ready to leave.
Okay, thanks. He said the key doesn't work to do the roof.
Does it?
It doesn't. So he said, I don't know, he said there was a button or something. There it is, right? Is that it? Oh. Yeah, you may have to jump in there and start it. Yeah, we'll let the tow truck drive here. Seven, 8, 8:20,
8:25, 8:30, 8:35, 8:36, 8:37.
837.
What was it? Was it clipped up? Oh, okay.
I'm gonna put it all with his credit card so he can bail us out of jail with his titanium.
Oh yeah, wow.
He ain't worried about going to jail. He's like, "What do you mean I'm going to jail?" I was like, "Yeah, you're going to jail, man."
What's this guy do for a living?
We're going to be doing the southbound.
Oh, to do a. Are you gonna do it?
Yeah, I can do it.
Like a laptop. Huh. Trunk's empty. Rear trunk's empty.
You know anything about how to get the top off? It might be up there.
I think you might have to turn the car on.
Yeah, I got his key right here. He said the key doesn't work to do the roof.
It doesn't?
It doesn't.
No.
No, he said, I don't know, he said there was a button or something.
Yeah, it's over here.
There it is, right? Is that it?
Yeah, it's over here. I think you gotta start it there.
Yeah, you may have to jump in there and start it.
I'll let the tow truck driver do that.
Yeah, we'll let the tow truck driver do it.
Your new patrol car.
I don't know if I can fit into that one. I ain't gonna fit into all this junk on.
That's why I laugh about it. Everyone's like, oh, hey, FHP's Corvette, are you going to be able to drive it? You won't fit in it.
Yeah.
He was arrested and charged with operating a vehicle 50+ miles per hour over the limit, a misdemeanor. He was booked and released the same day after posting a $150 bond. Would you drive 107 miles per hour just because you didn't want to be late to your haircut appointment? All individuals are presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. This video is presented for educational and documentary purposes only.